on, Skipper. Hey, welcome back. We got a little bit of snow. I think we're sitting at 30 to 32 inches so far. I had the tractor out day before yesterday plowing, and then it just took a big dump, and I kept coming out and trying to figure out what was wrong with it, and got a hold of the shop yesterday, and they said check and see if there's water in the although the water in the fuel system, because there's a fuel separator, that light did not come on. It was a check engine light with the word cell underneath it. This is a Coyote 35 CK3510. So we're going to check the water separator and see if there's any water in there. Ooh, Skipper. So now we got it all drained. Now we got to prime it. Had a little diesel on my hands. I figured I'd wipe them off before I put my gloves back on. But all right, let's cross our fingers and hopefully this thing will work. Probably after this, yeah.
What? Do I need to take that pump inside and let it thaw?
No, it shouldn't have nothing in it.
Okay.
It's a never-ending chore, Mama.
Not much water left in here. What's that noise?
I'm glad we got the tractor fixed. Got it all graded, got the snow pushed there and there. Got the path down to the beach done. Oh, now we'll have to work on the path to the boat tomorrow, but what a crazy couple of days.
No, let's go inside. Come on. Right, inside. Let's go. What? We live in Alaska?
Winter came late, but it definitely came.
It did.
We got to get the stuff off the roof. We got today, which had no rain, and tomorrow, which has no rain, and then it turns to rain. So we need to get all this stuff off of the roofs, because at least the chicken coops in the tent, and we're going to try to clear our boat roof, because once that snow soaks up all the rain, then it's just going to get super heavy, and we don't want any collapses, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So I called my mom yesterday, and talk about craziness. I know a lot of structures. Juneau's had a hard year with things collapsing and
boats sinking.
Yeah, and for the first time ever, we had so much snow that it ended up covering her vent on top of her roof from the furnace. So the furnace started backfiring into the garage, and a CO2 detector was going off, and total chaos. You know, I think my mom started opening doors. There was soot covered in the garage just everywhere. And I think the neighbors got her out of the house, thank God. Snow can be dangerous. You know, things get covered up, CO2 gets in the house, and if you don't know it,
so normally you'll get like a foot or two, and then you can go out and shovel your roof, but we've got 35 inches
within 2 days.
Yeah, so it like just dumped and just kept dumping. So
yeah,
and a lot of the snow got on boats in the harbor, and I think they didn't say how many. They just said several boats have sank in the harbor.
Yeah, I think 8 of them were going to sink. I think they saved 4 out of the 8, I believe. So yeah, it's
definitely been a little chaotic time. Our tractor broke, so I was like, but we got it running, and that's the important thing. But the thing is there's 3 foot of snow, And so it's about a quarter mile, but I've got some snowshoes, but they're at her mom's house, and you don't have any snowshoes, period. And so
it would be nice to have some.
Now I guess tomorrow I'm going to have to clear a trail to the boat, and
with the tractor.
Yeah, so I'm digging out stuff. Oh, and I wanted to show you.
But I just hear, I mean, you know, I just hear just all over the United States, it's just crazy everywhere. San Francisco's flooding. Everybody in the United States has like 0 temperatures. I don't know what's going on. So it's just not us.
Global warming.
Babe. It's not just us, it's everyone in the United States having just crazy freaky weather. So everybody stay safe out there.
So I want to give a shout out to my man Elon Musk. Starlink did not disappoint.
And it did not disappear. Look at that.
It heats up, and there's enough circuitry in there that it's hot, and so yeah, I thought it was going to be buried, but we had signal throughout the whole
2-day ordeal.
The whole storm that we had, and yeah, it was crazy. But now I'm going to dig out Mr. Starlink and let him have some room to track satellites. But I'm telling you, it looked like he did just fine all by himself.
I know.
Look out, Skipper. Yeah, look out, buddy. As you can see, there's the top of our raised beds. We got snow.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy. Well, we warmed up. It stopped snowing. I was going to see if I could make it over to the boat on the four-wheeler without bringing the tractor over here and clearing the trail. No. We are stuck like Chuck over there. So I'm going to walk back. Well, it's safe where it is right now. The tide's coming up, so tomorrow we'll come over here with the tractor and pull it out of the way and then clear the rest of all this stuff and clear the rest of the trail. But the snow's almost all gone at our place. Once it warms up and starts raining, it melts the snow pretty quick. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I've got a bunch of little small projects they got to do next week, so hopefully it'll be interesting to you guys. Take care. Remember, live free. We'll see you next week.